Hello great people, welcome back to Hamid's Motive again. In this video, I will share some hard truth, and most of the time people try to hide these types of hard truth. So stay with Hamid's Motive with great humble. Suppose you want to practice English and you want to speak English as like the fluent speaker, and you want to communicate in English in front of your people, in front of your colleagues, in front of your teacher, and you want to speak English in your class and you want to conduct English with the teachers. But most of the time we feel very nervous when we try to speak in English. We are mumbling, but we have a great idea about the grammar and we have a huge knowledge about vocabulary. And most of the time we know that when we have a clear concept about the grammatical rules and we have huge vocabulary collection, and by using grammatical rules and the vocabulary we will be able to speak in English, but we fail again and again. Why? And here is different types of reason. Suppose when we start to speak in English, first time we want to speak English as like the fluent speaker. It's not possible. Suppose when I first time made video on YouTube platform, I don't have any ability to speak English as like this time. So you have to stay with the great humble and you have to practice again and again. And we make a mistakes. We try to follow different types of videos, and most of the time online activities or the online tutor say to you have to enroll offline or the online courses. This is really counterfeit, because in this era it's a digital era and you can easily connect it with any other person, and you can get access easily and you can take help from the YouTube, because on YouTube platform there are a lot of videos, and from these types of video you can easily learn English and you can get help, and it will be possible to learn about the grammatical vocabulary and how can we speak English fluently. That's why no need to enroll any online or the offline courses. If you face, suppose when we try to speak English, we have to clear concept some grammatical rules, suppose tense, subject verb agreement and any other topic. If you face any problem, please go to the YouTube platform and search subject verb agreement, and there are a lot of classes and you can help from these types of platform. First of all, when you want to speak English fluently, first of all you have to maintain one duty, and this duty is you have to practice. But just imagine, I want to speak English but it's not possible. If you want to speak English, just practice. Suppose I am making video in front of you, and when after finishing this video I'll upload these types of video on my YouTube platform. Why? Only my practice issue I upload these types of video on my YouTube platform. When I upload these types of video regularly, it will be more fruitful for me for increasing my English level. So it is high time to dive in your practice. Otherwise it's totally impossible to speak English in front of the people. So it is high time to dive in your practice. No need to delay any single time, and no need to waste any single time. So Allah Hafiz, see you again with another video.